Hello students, what we are going to discuss today is the effects of the war. Chapter is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In the last video, what we have discussed, we have started the chapter with the story Aboy Helmut, right? And what happened afterwards? There was the First World War, and in the First World War there was the defeat of the Allied powers. There was the defeat of the allied powers, sorry, there was the defeat of the axis powers. And what happened then? The defeat of Germany. Then there was the birth of a Weimar Republic, and people of Germany were thinking that Weimar is the only responsible for the defeat of Germany, as well as the humiliation and insult they faced at the time of Treaty of Versailles, right? So, what were the effects of the war? Which war? World War One. The war had devastating impact on the entire continent, both psychologically and financially. Means we are talking about the continent Europe. What was there? Psychological impact and financial impact was there. Bad impact was there on the Europe. What was there financially? Europe was the creditor. Europe was the continent of creditor and turned into the debtors. Means earlier Europe was giving loans, credit to the others, but now due to the World War One, what happened? Europe turned into debtors because due to the World War One, the resources drained from the Europe. Unfortunately, infant Weimar Republic was being made to pay for the sins of old empire. Means before Weimar Republic, who was there? King was there. Whatever the mistakes or whatever the deeds were done by the king, the repayment of that was done by the infant Weimar Republic. Means after the king who came in power, Weimar came in power. Weimar Republic came in power. So the old deeds, the old sins were paid by the old sins. Tax was or the compensation was paid by the Weimar Republic. The Republic carried the burden of war guilt, and the national humiliation, was financially crippled, being forced to pay the compensation. As we have seen at the time of Treaty of Versailles, what was there? That the Germany had to pay the war compensation. The Allied powers, those who faced a lot of loss, they imposed the treaty on the Germany, and they said that the Germany had to pay 6 billion pounds. I told you in the last video livers, but it is a pound. What is there? That due to that what happened, their financial condition crippled, handicap हो गई. Those who supported the Weimar Republic, mainly socialist, Catholics and Democrats, became easy targets of attacks in the conservative nationalist circle. Conservative nationalist circle means those who were not in the favor of the Weimar Republic, they were in the favor of the king. What they were doing, they were attacking on the supporters of the Weimar Republic. Who were the supporter of the Weimar Republic? Socialist, Catholics, Democrats, right? So what was there? And these conservatives were saying to the Weimar Republic supporters as November criminals. They were calling them, conservatives were calling to the supporters of the Weimar Republic as November criminals. Why November criminals? Because Germany got defeated. World War One was over in November 1918. So this mindset had major impact on the political developments of early 1930, as we'll soon see. So what was there? The First World War left a deep imprint, छाप छोड़ना, on the European society and polity. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians. The place of the soldiers were above the civilians. Politicians and publicists laid great stress on the need for men to be aggressive. What the politicians and publicists were saying, that men need to be aggressive, strong, and masculine, body shoddy. The media glorified trench life. Trench life, I told you in the last chapter also, trench life means गुफाएं सुरंगें से बनी हुई होना. Right. Like you have seen in the movie Border, if you have seen the movie Border, the soldiers were fighting with the Indian soldiers were fighting with the Pakistani soldier, and they were in the trench. The truth, however, was that soldiers lived miserable lives in these trenches. Soldiers were living very poor life in these trenches, trapped with rats feeding on corpses. What was there? Rats were there. In the war, who died? The soldiers died. Rats were there. Rats were eating their bodies. They faced poisonous gases. Soldiers were facing poisonous gases, enemies shelling, गोलियां दुश्मनों की गोलियां, and witnessed their rank reduced rapidly, and they were reducing in number very rapidly. Aggressive war propaganda and national honor occupied center stage in the public sphere, while popular support grew for conservative dictatorship had recently came into being. Means what was the conservative dictatorship was popular as comparison to the uh, Weimar Republic. Democrats, indeed, a young democracy means Weimar Republic was indeed a young and fragile idea. Fragile means not so strong, right? Which could not survive the instabilities of in-war or interwar Europe. Means that democracy is not able to survive at the time of a war type of situation. So this was the situation of a World War that the effects of the World War One. And next is there, that is political radicalism and economic crisis. What was there in the political radicalism? At the birth of the Weimar Republic coincided with the revolutionary uprising with the Spartacist League on the pattern of Bolshevik revolution in Russia. What was there, that at that time the Weimar, after the World War One, the Weimar Republic was in the power. The Weimar Republic was in the power. As the Weimar Republic in power, then what happened? As the Weimar Republic came into power, then what happened? That one more association came, organization came into being, existence. The name of the league was Spartist League. The name of the league was the Spartist League. What were they saying? They were opposing the Weimar Republic, and they were saying that in Germany there is need to be a rule like Bolsheviks rule was there in Russia. Right? Weimar is not so strong. So Soviet of Workers, Union of Workers and Sailors were established. And then what happened in many cities? In many cities, the political atmosphere in Berlin was charged with Soviet style governance. Means the people started raising their voice. They wanted the Soviet style governance, means they want the Bolshevik kind of governance. But the Weimar was in power, so what they did, those who opposed to this, so as the Socialist Democrats and Catholics met in Weimar to give the shape to the democratic republic. Means these Democrats, Socialists, and Catholics, what were they doing? They were in favor of Weimar Republic and they were opposing the Soviet style governance. So I told you Weimar was in power. So what the Weimar did, the Weimar Republic crushed the uprising with the help of a war veterans organization called Free Corps. Who were they? The Weimar Republic used the soldiers, those who took part in the World War One. With the help of them, those who took the part in the World War One and those who were being left alive, they took part and with the help of that, Weimar Republic crushed the uprising of the Spartist League. The anguished Spartist League later founded the Communist Party of Germany. After that, Spartist League they made the Communist Party of Germany. Communist and socialist henceforth became irreconcilable enemy and could not make common cause against Hitler. What was there? These Bolsheviks means the Spartist League and the Weimar. They were fighting with each other that paved the way of the Hitler. जिसने हिटलर को अपनी पावर बनाने का क्या कर दिया? रास्ता दे दिया. Both revolutionaries and militant nationalists craved for radical situation. मतलब क्या है ये आपस में लड़ते रहते थे. So what was there? This was the condition of political radicalism and now economic condition. What was there? Political radicalization was only heightened by the economic crisis of 1923. The condition of Germany was very grim. The condition of Germany was very grim. Germany, I told you Germany had to pay the war repression. Repression means the compensation. Germany had to pay the compensation in gold or as well as they had to pay 6 billion pounds to the France. So what was there? France was harassing the Germany. France was showing the power to the Germany. So what happened? This depleted gold reserves at a time resources were scarce. So the compensation was made by Germany to the France and to the other countries in the form of gold. So due to that, gold reserves depleted in Germany. In 1923, Germany refused to pay the war repression and France occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr, to claim their coal. What happened? Germany refused to pay the war repression. Then France, what the France did, it occupied the industrial area Ruhr of Germany. Germany retaliated with passive resistance and printed paper currency restlessly. What happened? Now Germany thinking that now there is need to print more and more money. With too much money printed in circulation, the German mark value fell. Mark means the currency of Germany. You know what happened? If we print the currency on a large scale, then what will be there? The things prices will increase. Then if the things of the prices of the commodity will increase, then what will be there? There will be inflation. So what happened in April in US dollar was the US dollar was equal to 24,000 marks. Means $1 was equal to 24,000 German mark. In July it was there equal to 3,53,000. In August it was there 46 lakh 21,000 and it was 99 crore 88 lakh 60,000 marks in December. Means the value of German mark be continuously falling down. So what was there? What that time what can be seen that if you wanted to purchase a bread piece, then you were using the bullock cart, and that bullock cart was full of currency. That bullock cart was full of currency to, and you are going to the shopkeeper and buying that bread or piece with that of and that all the money that you are carrying in the bullock carts. So the condition was very grim. Hyperinflation was there in Germany. So the US, the Americans was उनको क्या हुआ कुछ तरस आ गया किसके ऊपर जर्मनी के ऊपर एंड दे इंट्रोड्यूस डास प्लान what was das plan das plan means they show some sympathy and they gave some relaxation to pay or to reduce the financial burden of the Germany. So this was the unit 1.2, the political radicalization as well as economic crisis. In the next video we will discuss about the year of depression. Till then, make the notes and start making question answers and revising the chapter. Tell to your friends also to revise the video. Thank you.